Hi, I'm David, a sale advisory here at Avicii Marketplace. Start selling with Avicii. Sell both virtual and physical products online to local and international buyers. More than half the units sold in our stores are from independent sellers from all around the world and this region. On Avicii, you get a multi-page store dedicated entirely to your business, like a dedicated website, and you can also personalize and customize your store to your taste. Join persons, groups, and other businesses, sell your products on Avicii Marketplace, and reach millions of new customers. Partner with the largest multi-channel retailer and put your products in front of millions of global shoppers. Sellers are given the option to sell either as wholesalers or retailers. Whether you own websites or not, you will be given a dedicated portal to sell your product independently. Do you ever wonder why Avicii is one of the leading marketplaces for sellers? The reason is that we are known to only charge the lowest commission rate of just a 7% fee. Please feel free to ask or do research before signing up. There is no setup, monthly or hidden fees for any sellers. You pay for what you sell. Explore our all-in-one seller online tools without the need for third-party software. With the help of our multi-search engine platform, your product will be indexed and well-ranked for quick delivery and discovery. Avicii Search integrates and combines results from Google, Yahoo, and Yandex. You have nothing to worry about getting access to customers. Setting up your seller's store is pretty easy, with just 3 steps. So what are you waiting for? Join other sellers from around the globe. Sell with assurance. Sell with confidence with Avicii.